Let's talk about Ansible. So what is Ansible? Ansible is a configuration management tool. It basically automates your configuration management, and you can also control it with VCS, that is your version control system. I'll tell you how it basically works. So imagine there is a data center and there are 1,000 servers in the data center. So, and you have to install Apache on all of the 1,000 servers. Just example. So it'll be a tedious task to do it manually and like connecting to each server using SSH and installing Apache server. So what we do is we write a script and then we put it on the controller node. Controller node is nothing but your Ansible management node. So what this basically means is all the scripts will be on this machine, and when you execute a playbook, they will be deployed or they will be transferred to the 1,000 servers, and all the servers will have the Apache server installed within few seconds. So, and this is an agentless service. So what this means is basically it doesn't need an agent. You don't need to install an agent on all the servers. It uses Python. As long as Python 2 or 3 is installed on the servers, you're good to go. So management node has two special files. One is playbook and the other one is inventory. Playbooks are your basically scripts which are written in YAML, where you describe what application you want or what service you want to install, start a service, stop a service, reboot a system, like whatever. And inventory file basically consists of your list of nodes. For example, you want to deploy it on 500 servers or 1,000 servers out of 10,000 servers. So the list of those servers will be present in the inventory file. Yeah. So now we'll move on towards the setup. So I'll show you what you can follow any setup, but I'll show you what setup I'm following. So I'm going to create one controller node or Ansible management node and two servers where I deploy the application. So first we'll head. So I'm using, for those of you who are new to virtualization or creating VMs, they can use this website called osboxes.org. So I'll show you how I got here. So you go to VirtualBox images, then fish out for the CentOS. Click on VirtualBox VDI. Here you'll have multiple options. So see VirtualBox, 64-bit, and click on download. So this will take you to download page. I don't need to download it because I just finished downloading it. Here it is. So now I'm gonna go to my folder and extract. So it's extract files. So I'm going to select destination. Ansible. Okay. Did this finish? Okay, it's extracting in the background. So we'll head on to VirtualBox. Create a new VM. Let's name it Ansible template. Spell that right, yes. Maybe. Okay. Next. If you're using CentOS, so others 64. So I would recommend increasing the RAM to 1 GB, and we'll use an existing disk image. Let's go to go to the location where you extracted the VDI, select it, choose. What the fuck happened here? Yeah, it will so. So we'll click on create. Now we're going to power on the VM. Start. So if you do, in case you don't know, the default password is osboxes.org. So go to your terminal. First thing you will do is passwd. Fuck. The command is passwd. Don't tell me it didn't match. Wait a minute. Yes. Boxes.org. New password. I'm gonna give something simple. Okay, so now we're going to create a new user. Just name it Rahul. Set a password for that user. So let's try this. If it works with you might do this. Yes, Rahul. Yeah, so this user is set. So first we gotta do this. Fuck. So yeah, now we're gonna add Rahul. So now Rahul is part of sudoer group. So this is our basic template. So we have finished setting up our VM. Wait, I'm gonna check if it got an IP. So yeah, there's one more thing I forgot to mention. Fuck me. Dude, this should be saying that. So go to settings, network, make it bridge. We make it bridge so that we get an IP address which is accessible from the host system. Okay, click on OK, and then what we do, we can clone the VM. So first we'll create a controller. Create Ansible controller. Make sure you select generate new MAC address. If you don't select that, we'll not get an independent a different IP for every VM. Okay, next we'll create linked clone so that it consumes less space. Click on clone. Pretty fast. Yeah, so we'll clone 2 more VMs. Make sure you select this. Another one. Fuck, do I name it? Actually, Ansible. Target one. What's going on? No. Start all the 3 VMs. So if you notice, all of these VMs will have a username Rahul. It's going to take some time. So use it as Rahul. So I would just go to a terminal. So this is the controller node. So first we'll modify the host names. Fuck dude, I hate this. Next. So elevate your privileges. Yeah, so we're going to modify 2 files. So see, the host name here is OS boxes. We're going to change that host name. Let's name it controller. So no. They spell the right controller. Yeah. Then we're going to modify here. Add another entry next to localhost. I might mess with some of the spellings. Controller. Yeah. What the fuck did I do, dude? Shit, I messed it up. Yeah. And yeah, so you have to restart the VM. So we have to do it for all the VMs. So we'll do it for first target. We'll do the same for target 1. Shit, fuck. is awfully slow. Yeah, so nothing else. And so first thing first, let's check if we have an IP. Yes, we do have an IP. So sudo. So now we're going to install Ansible. What do I do? Yeah. So So what is EPEL? EPEL is extra packages for enterprise Linux. Ansible is not a part of your regular repositories. That's why we have to install EPEL. Yeah. Fuck, dude. I hate this keyboard. I hate this keyboard. Yeah, so this will install Ansible. It's gonna take a while, I think, or maybe not. Yeah. In the meantime, let's check if we have IP addresses for our target machines. Fuck. Dude. IP space. Yeah, we have. Let's check if Ansible is installed. It's an Ansible, and you should get, yeah. So Ansible is installed. So we're gonna stop this video here, and we'll do the YAML scripts in the next video. So yeah, bye.